To add, edit, or remove users from your account, log into the HDOnTap portal and navigate from the dashboard to the Users menu. To add a new user, click the plus button and fill out the form. Note that the username will be used to log in, and the email address will be used for password resets. HDOnTap supports two different user roles. Customer admins can access everything in the portal, including updating information, adding and removing users, adding devices, determining permissions, and more. Customer user accounts have more limited access and are not able to change critical information such as customer information or devices. Enter the password you would like to set for your user and click Save Changes. To edit an existing user, click the Edit button for that user. You can change their name, username, email address, customer role, etc. Click Save Changes when done. To temporarily suspend status for a user so that they are unable to log into the portal, toggle the status icon next to their name. To fully delete a user from the portal, navigate to Edit, click Overview, and click Remove User. This is also where you would reset their password.